I'm going to show you how to put a little extra $5,000 in your pocket and nobody's watching you. All my LA folks, tap in, especially my dudes in the entertainment business, the actors, the musicians. I know they ain't paying too good right now. Pursue your career by some little extra bag. So these are 2-for-1 contracts. The Hollywood DMV and the Santa Monica. After hours, janitorial, cleanup, all expenses paid for. All you got to do is put your time in to do a little cleaning at night when nobody's watching. All right, this is what they're looking for. Right now, Hollywood and the Santa Monica DMV is looking for cleaners late at night. Monday through Friday. They're both due around the same time, right? They don't even need you to buy any equipment. They just need you to come in Monday through Friday, clean after hours. Look, it says it right here. The DMV provided supplies. They're providing supplies for you. All right, doing my research, I found the answers for you. It wasn't that easy because currently they have no after-hour contract. They say right now the state is actually doing the custodian work, but that's what I did. So I went and found similar contracts that got the similar stuff to it. So the base contract for 3 years is $98,000 for a similar contract after our DMVs in a different city. And then I found the actual contract that's last awarded to the DMV for Santa Monica. The same numbers, $98,000 again. So now we know we're looking at the $98,000 mark for 3 years. Let's bust that down. So I did the math on that. That comes out to be about $2,700 a month in work, which is about $136 per day in labor when you actually contract. Now that's the current lowest bidder 3 years ago. If you're a disabled vet, you can take 5% and get an extra discount on that. Now, in order to win this contract, they want to know how much you charge them per day. So remember, the lowest number right now is about $135, $106 per day. So your happy number is this right here. The $136 may win you the contract. If you're a veteran-owned business, they're going to give you a percentage on top of that discount rate. It's your happy number because they're providing a service already. How much are you willing to make for yourself? Create a job for yourself. And now you're getting government contracts behind you. So you could do some cleaning work at night and still look cool in the daytime. Nobody needs what you're doing. Now you put an extra $5,000 in your pocket. Pursue whatever career you want. Always get the bag first and then pursue your dreams. Get that right. Comment RSVP right now, and I'm going to send you my free webinar link. Holla at your boy.